Yeah, so Jai Hind everyone. My name is Danta Chaudhary, and today I'm going to tell you about an interesting website which is known as NASA Solar System Exploration. So let's see about this website. So as you can see, there are 3D modules of planets. Now, where are these planets situated? Solar system. So let's talk about the solar system. So this is our solar system. The informations are that there are 8 planets, 5 dwarf planets, and more than 200 moons. So let's travel in the solar system. So first of all, the mid-center, which is known as the heart of the solar system, is the sun. So let's see the sun. So this is the sun, and there is actually very much light in the sun, and it's an 3D module. Let's explore more. The Latin word for the sun is Sol. The sun is a yellow dwarf star, a hot ball of glowing gases at the heart of our solar system. Its gravity holds everything from the biggest planets to tiny debris in its orbit. So this was actually our sun. Now let's move forward among the sun. Wait. Yeah. So now after the sun, it comes Mercury, the closest planet. Let's move to Mercury and a traveler journey to a Mercury. So this is actually, wait, let me make it full. Yeah. So this is actually a Mercury. Mercury is known as terrestrial planet, as it's written here as. So terrestrial planet is actually means the almost part of the planet is made up of the rock. So that's known as terrestrial planet. Mercury, the smallest planet in our solar system. So it's known as the smallest planet in our solar system, and it is closest to the sun, and it is also known as the fastest planet. Now, as we say that Earth takes 365 days, almost 365 days to cover the sun. So if we count in a manner of Earth numerals, so here we can see that Mercury takes 88 days. Means it's really very amazing fact that it only takes 88 days because it's the fastest planet. So there are 0 moons on the Mercury, and it's also known as Roman god of the speed. So now let's move to another planet, next planet. So next planet is your Venus. So here is the Venus. Let's move to Venus. So this is actually the Venus, a round full ball. It's also a terrestrial planet. Venus spins slowly and opposite direction. Suppose that Earth moves like this, so the Venus will be moving opposite to the direction of the Earth. That's known as and Venus is also known as the hottest planet because there are greenhouse heats which trap the carbon dioxide more, and that makes the planet hottest. So as the Earth days, it takes 225 days to complete a one revolution around the sun. It has also a 0 moon. It's known as Roman goddess of love. So let's move to our next planet. Next planet is Earth. So our planet Earth. So this is a very beautiful and lovely Earth. Now Earth is also a terrestrial planet. So our home planet is the place where we found the living organism till now. And it's also known as blue planet. It takes 365.25 days. It has only 1 moon, and in many other languages, it is also said as the ground. Okay, so this was our Earth. Now let's move to our next planet. But before moving to the next planet, let's first of all explore about the Earth's moon. Because we are talking about the Earth moon. So this is your Earth moon. The Earth moon is far 247,625 kilometers from the Earth, and till now 24 human visitors has gone there. So this is a moon of the Earth. Let's explore more. Earth's moon is the only place beyond the Earth where humans have set a foot. Means till now humans has gone only beyond the Earth here. The Latin word for the moon is luna. That's why when in Hindi we said that Chandragrahan, it's known as lunar eclipse because the Latin word is luna. It takes 27 days to revolve around the Earth because it's a natural satellite and it's revolve around the Earth. Now let's move to our solar system again. So after the Earth, it comes the chance of Venus. So, no, not Venus, sorry, Mars. Okay, so let's go Mars. Yeah. So here is Mars and there are Mars. Now, as you can see, in other planets, there were not a line structure like this, like Maven and these all, as you can see here. But why in this one? Because till now the moon, the robots and satellites has sent to be the Mars. So it's an orbital spacecraft. Actually, many orbital spacecrafts has like sent it to the Mars. Now let's explore about Mars. Wait, please second. Just a second, it's not coming. Yeah. Just a second, please. Yeah, here the Mars is. Terrestrial planet. So it's also known as terrestrial planet only. So Mars is the dusty, cold desert world with a very thin atmosphere. There is strong evidence Mars was billions of years ago, wetter and warmer with a thicker atmosphere. So as the manner of the Earth, it takes 1.88 Earth years and it has 2 moons and Roman god of war it's known as. So now let's explore about the moons of the Mars. So here it's only given as that these looks like the Mars. There are the 2 moons of the Mars. Here it's given. Now let's move back to our solar system planets. Okay. So next to the Mars, it's what? Just a second, please. Yeah. Next to the wait, let me put it to the outer surface only. Yeah. Next to the Mars is Jupiter. Now, Jupiter, as everyone knows, it's the biggest planet and it's also known as gas giant because it's almost made up of gases. So, Jupiter is more than twice as massive than the other planets of our solar system. Combined, the giant planet's great red spot is a centuries-old storm bigger than the Earth. So, it's actually a very bigger planet and there are total 79 moons on the Jupiter. That's really very amazing that there are total 79 moons on the Jupiter. So it takes 11.86 years to revolve around the sun and it's known as the king of the Roman gods. So let's first of all move us to the moons of the Jupiter. So 79 moons. So here it's only given as that like this. This is the moon. It's only given that much. Now let's move back to our planets. Yeah. So Jupiter, after Jupiter, it's Saturn. So Saturn, it looks like this. Many much rings. It's also made up of gas only. Almost it's made up of gas giant. So it's also known as gas giant. So, adorned with a dazzling complex system of icy rings, Saturn is a unique in our solar system. The other giant planets have rings, but none are as spectacular as Saturn. So, other planets or other giant planets are also having the rings, but not the structure like the Saturn has having the rings. So, it has total 62 moons. Can you imagine like the sky was full of the moon, 62 moons, and it takes 29.45 Earth years. It's known as the father of Jupiter. So it's an amazing word for the Saturn. It's also known as father of Jupiter. Now let's move back. Okay, so after Saturn, it's come Uranus. So here are the Uranus. It's an ice giant. Uranus is an ice giant. So Uranus, 7th planet from the sun, rotates a nearly 90-degree angle from the plane of its orbit. This unique tilt makes a Uranus appear to spin on its side. It takes 84 Earth years. It has 27 moons and it's known as Greek god of the sky. So this is also 27 and also more because they are more than our Earth. Earth has only one. Okay, the last planet in our solar system, not the last, but actually the last which we known as is known as the Neptune. So this is actually a Neptune. Yeah, this is actually a Neptune, as you can see here. It's also known as ice giant. Neptune, the eighth planet and the most distant major planet orbiting our sun, is dark, cold, and wiped by supersonic winds. It was the first planet located through mathematical calculations rather than the telescopes. So it's like 164.81 Earth years. It has total 14 moons, and it's known as the Roman god of the sea. So this was your planets. Now, as you can in this website, you can know very much about this. If we talk only today, we have taken only the title of the planets, and till now there are like left with the dwarf planets, which are Pluto, Haumea, Ceres, Eris, Makemaker. So let me give you a quick revision or a quick type of a pictures of Pluto. So here is your Pluto. Just a second, please. Traveling to Pluto, it's loading. So this is your Pluto. Now, Pluto is a dwarf planet, and there are total 5 moons on Pluto. So let me tell you here. Yeah, explore. There are total 5 moons on the Pluto, and it takes 248.89 Earth years. Pluto is a complex world of ice mountains. So it's an frozen plains. So it's can be known as a dwarf planet because it's very small. And one more, there are total, just a second, yeah. There are total 5 dwarf planets. This is your Haumea. Let me give you a, yeah, this is Haumea dwarf planet. This is Ceres. Yeah, let me show the picture of this Ceres. This is yeah, this is the Ceres dwarf planet. It's structured like a moon. Okay, now another is Eris. Just a second. So Eris, like you can see, it's not a very complex picture. Eris are looking like this. Make. Okay, interesting name, Make. So Make, it's look like this. It's actually look like a sun type of a structure. So this is Make. And in this website, you can explore more like our solar system, sun, Kuiper belt, Oort cloud. Beyond our solar system, you can see beyond our solar system also. You can see planets, and you can see moons, asteroids, comets, and more, like WhatsApp sky watching tips from NASA, resources, raw image, people, and what missions till now. These all you can see on this website. Thank you.